He's warning us. As Christians, as followers of Jesus Christ, we can get rather complacent. We can become slow and dull of hearing. And it just kind of works its way in. We get a little busy, don't we? Things that are going on, and we do that, and so we can become sluggish and hard of hearing. Take a personal hearing exam. Sit down and look at it and say, Lord, what am I listening to? Am I getting meat, or am I just listening to things that are good and all, but aren't really giving me that deep nourishment that I need to be able to have?